Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Instagram password if you have forgotten it. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing, you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, you'll be directed to sign up and login page. Since we already have an account, so we do not need to tap on any of these options such as sign in or sign up. What you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on login. So after that, you'll be directed to this interface. As you have forgotten your password and you're not able to log in into your Instagram account, then what you can do is you can simply tap on forgot password in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next interface, you'll be directed to a page where it says find your account. Now entering your email address or the phone number or the user ID linked to your account, it might be able to solve your issue. So for that, you need to provide either one of these following options, that is username, email or phone number. So once you type in your personal information, tap on next. If you have provided the correct information, you'll be directed to this page, and right on this page you have two different options. So then a verification code or the confirmation code will be sent to you either through your email or an SMS. Now you'll need to select either one of these options. So then in case you select your email address, you can see that I received a confirmation email, and all I need to do is just tap on reset password, which is right in center, and after that you'll be directed to a page where you'll get to create a new password. And for the confirmation, you'll need to type in once again, and after that you've successfully changed your password or reset your password, and now you'll be able to log in into your Instagram account using your current password. And in case if you have not linked your email address to your Instagram account and instead of email you have linked your phone number, then what you need to do is do the same procedure. That is, instead of email you need to enter your phone number and then tap on next. And if you have provided the correct phone number, you'll receive an OTP, and after that you need to enter the OTP, and then you'll be directed to a page where you get to change your password. So that is how you can reset your Instagram password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.